Z equals to 3. So we're gonna monitor them using control charts. So we're going to come here and do a control chart. This is CL, which is the 0 line. And then if we're going to add 3 plus 3, if we use, for example, Z equals 3, we're going to use CL to be 0, LCL to be 0 minus 3 times sigma, which is 33.7. So that would be equal to minus 3 times 33.7. That's almost negative 101.2, because sigma is 33.7. We got it here. UCL is 0 plus 3 times sigma, so that's positive 101.2. And so we come here and we draw. Here is UCL, here is LCL. So this is 101.2, this is negative 101.2. And then what are we drawing? We have 7 errors, right? So we have the error from April. So this is April, 5, May, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And so what are we drawing? We're drawing these errors right here, negative and positive. So negative 28.3 will be below the line, somewhere here. 21.7 will be above. Negative 45 will be below. As long as you are, relatively speaking, drawing correctly, 3.3 will be here. 51 will be above the 4, since this was 45. 51 will be above it. 25 will be for period 8. 25 for September, sorry, 25. I missed one. So let's go again. Negative 28.3, 21.7. This 45 should have been here. Negative 45 here. So this basically would look something like the chart that is in your book for, let me do it slower. Okay, negative 28.3, 21.7, negative 45, so that would be 6, so that would be go lower than here, and then negative 3.3, so it'll be here, and then 51.7, so that goes here, and 25 will come back to be lower than the 21, 25 a bit higher, and then negative 15. So sorry, it's not very accurate. To look for a more accurate one, look at the one that the Excel spreadsheet produced, the Excel example on your book, on Blackboard. And but again, you don't have to graph. All you have to check are these error points are all E's between LCL and UCL, question mark, and that's minus 101 and 101. It looks like it, and the answer is yes. All E's are between minus 101.2 and plus 101.2, so E's are in control. Forecast errors are in control. So the bottom line here is that for you to be able to pick a forecasting technique, you're going to have to repeat this analysis with different forecasting models, maybe a 3-period forecasting model, 5-period forecasting model, 3-period weighted moving average. and calculate all these things, calculate the bias, the MAD, the MSE, do the control charts, and see which one gives you less errors and which one are the errors more in control and don't form a pattern, and go with that forecasting techniques until it becomes bad, and then you go select something else, and so, or inappropriate, and you go select something else. And so this is why you cannot do these things by hand. They have to be done in Excel or in a program. So that's the purpose of error analysis. It's very important since we do not have an accurate answer for forecasting. All the answers turn out to be different.